Wait, James, look at the calendar right now.
Oh no, is it December 31st already?
Yes, and we have nothing ready for 2026.
We need to move fast or we will miss the new year.
Are you sure we can finish everything today?
I think so, but we must start now.
First, we need to decorate the living room.
I have some lights in the blue box.
Where is the blue box?
It is under the stairs, I think.
I don't see it there.
Let me look again.
Oh, wait, I found it.
Great, let's put the lights on the window.
These lights look very old.
They still work, don't worry.
Should we put the 2026 sign here?
Yes, put it in the center.
It looks a bit crooked.
Move it to the left a little.
Is this better?
Perfect. It looks very festive now.
We need more color.
I have some red balloons too.
Can you blow them up?
Yes, I can do that quickly.
I'm glad we're doing this together.
It is good English conversation practice for us.
You are right. I feel more confident today.
Okay, the room looks good.
Now, what about the food?
We need to go to the supermarket.
Let's write a list first.
I need some chicken and vegetables.
We also need fruit and snacks.
Don't forget the drinks for the party.
Should we buy a cake?
Yes, a big chocolate cake.
I will write that down.
Do we have enough money?
I have my credit card and some cash.
Good. I have my wallet too.
Is the supermarket open today?
I think it closes late for New Year.
Let's hurry. The streets are busy.
Where are the car keys?
They are on the table near the door.
I am ready. Let's go.
Wow, there are so many people here.
Everyone is shopping for 2026.
Let's get a cart.
I will go get the vegetables.
Okay, I will find the chicken.
Where are the carrots?
They are next to the potatoes.
I see them now.
Did you find the onions?
Yes, I have them in the cart.
We need some fresh bread too.
The bakery section is over there.
The bread smells amazing.
Let's take 2 loaves.
That is a lot of bread.
My friends eat a lot.
That is true.
I need to use some everyday English with the clerk.
Why?
I want to ask for a special discount.
Good luck with that.
Excuse me, is this cake on sale?
What did the clerk say?
He said it is 20% off today.
That is a great deal.
I love shopping on the last day of the year.
Okay, we have everything on the list.
Let's go to the checkout line.
Wait, where is my phone?
Is it in your bag?
No, I don't feel it.
Check your pockets.
Oh no, it's not there either.
Did you leave it at home?
I think I left it at the bakery section.
Let's go back and look.
I am so worried.
Don't worry, we will find it.
Look, is that it near the bread?
No, that is a black phone.
Mine is blue.
Wait, what is in your hand?
Oh, I'm holding it.
Emma, you are very funny.
I was so busy talking, I forgot.
That happens when we practice English.
At least it's not lost.
Let's pay and go home.
The city looks beautiful with all the lights.
I love the atmosphere.
What is your plan for 2026?
I want to learn a new language.
Really? Which one?
I want to improve my English for beginners.
You are already doing a great job.
Thanks. I practice every day.
I want to travel more next year.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit London or New York.
Those are great places for practice.
We should save some money first.
I agree. Travel is expensive.
But it is a good goal.
I have a small goal too.
What is it?
I want to cook more healthy food.
We can start with the dinner tonight.
That is a great idea.
Look at those fireworks in the window.
Should we buy some?
No, it's better to watch the big show.
You're right. The park has a show.
Let's walk faster. It's getting cold.
I'm glad I wore my big jacket.
I forgot my scarf at home.
You can share mine.
Thank you, James.
We are home, finally.
Let's start the kitchen work.
I will clean the vegetables.
I can season the chicken.
Do we have any salt?
Yes, it's in the cupboard.
How long does the chicken take?
About 45 minutes.
Perfect. We have time.
Can you put some music on?
Sure. I have a New Year's playlist.
This song is very nice.
It makes me feel happy.
We should record a video of our dinner
Why?
to show our friends how we practice.
I like that idea.
I saw a video like this yesterday.
Did you like it?
Yes, I liked and subscribed to the channel.
That helps the creators a lot.
I also clicked the bell for notifications.
I should do that too.
It's a good way to find new lessons.
The chicken smells ready.
Let me check the oven.
Be careful, it's very hot.
Yes, it looks perfect and brown.
The food is on the table.
Everything looks delicious.
Let's talk about 2026 again.
Okay, what is your first resolution?
I will go to the gym 3 times a week.
That is a difficult one.
I know, but I want to stay healthy.
My resolution is to read 1 book a month.
In English?
Yes, simple books for learners.
That is a smart way to learn.
I think simple daily conversation is the key.
I agree with you 100%.
We should also call our family more.
Yes, let's call them after midnight.
They will be very happy to hear from us.
Do you think 2026 will be a good year?
I hope it brings a lot of joy.
And more adventures for us.
Definitely more adventures.
Look at the clock, Emma.
It's 11:50 p.m.
Only 10 minutes left.
Let's get the drinks ready.
I have the glasses here.
Are the neighbors making noise?
Yes, I can hear them shouting.
Everyone is so excited.
2025 was a long year.
But we learned a lot.
Your English is much better now.
Thank you. I try my best.
5 minutes left.
Turn up the TV for the countdown.
The fireworks are starting.
They are so bright and colorful.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready for 2026.
10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2.
1. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Emma.
Good morning, James.
Happy first day of 2026.
I feel very tired today,
We stayed up very late.
but it was worth it.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. That would be great.
I will make some breakfast too.
Let's keep it simple today.
Just eggs and toast?
That sounds perfect.
We should write down our goals.
I already have my notebook ready.
You are very organized.
It helps me stay focused.
I'm going to comment on that video now.
Which one?
The one about New Year plans.
Good idea. Tell them your goals.
I will say I'm practicing with you.
That is very sweet.
I hope our friends join us too.
They should subscribe so we can all learn.
Yes, Learning together is more fun.
I'm ready for our first lesson of the year.
Me too. Let's start right now.
Great. Let's go to the park later.
Good idea. Fresh air is good for the brain.
2026 is going to be amazing.
I believe so too.